All right, going to Hacker Summer Camp in Vegas? Well, here's 5 tips that could save your week. First, make a plan, but don't marry it. You want to leave plenty of time for unexpected conversations and just pick your must-see sessions. Number 2, talk to people. Yeah, ask them about their favorite sessions or maybe one of the villages or communities that they visited, It doesn't have to feel like a sales pitch to chat with folks. Number 3, talk with presenters. Try the workshops, do the villages, stuff like that. Because cybersecurity, well, it isn't a spectator sport. Number 4, pace yourself. Vegas is hot and it's crazy. So make sure you're hydrating. Make sure you're eating regularly. Make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes that aren't brand new, that have been broken in a little bit. And you know what? Sometimes you do want to sleep to get the most out of this. And number 5, accept that you can't do everything. Yeah, meet some new people, check out some new stuff, do some things you've never done before, but don't expect to hit everything because, well, that's just not reasonable. It isn't going to happen. If you leave with new ideas, new friends, a new perspective on things, and who knows, maybe a t-shirt or some other swag, then you know you've done Hacker Summer Camp right. Yep, that's right. So for more tips or a longer explanation, check out the article I have linked below. And I hope to see you there. If you see me, say hello.